Of more evidence related to the 1 October massacre, and this includes 911 calls, body camera video, dash cam footage, dispatch interviews, and a lot more. The ruling is in response to a second lawsuit filed against Metro by a number of news organizations. Now, last week, a different judge ordered the police department to release search warrant documents. 8 News Now reporter Karen Castro is here with what is going to happen next in this case. Karen?
Yeah, Denise, so Metro won't be making the records public all at once. Instead, a judge is ordering them to release the evidence in chunks as they make redactions to protect victims' identities. Attorneys for Metro have continuously fought to keep all documents related to the shooting confidential, but so far they haven't had any luck.
We made the decision to release a preliminary report, but we don't release everything associated with that because this is a continuing investigation.
During a weekly segment of Cup It Joe, Sheriff Joe Lombardo makes the same claim the police department's attorney made before a judge, saying Metro is not opposed to releasing the evidence, it's just a matter of when.
So 3 months later, do you now have the specificity to explain why production of these documents would interfere with the narrow ongoing investigation?
Yes, to the extent, Your Honor, that the department is conducting its investigation into the case. We don't stop an investigation because there isn't going to be someone charged.
News organizations began requesting records hours after the shooting. By state law, Metro is obligated to respond within 5 days. Attorneys representing news outlets told the judge the police department not only violated Nevada's Public Records Act, but also never justified how the release of the documents would compromise their investigation.
The idea that they can just delay and delay and delay until they say their investigation is done is not at all squared with the Public Records Act.
For the second time in a matter of days, a judge rules against the police department and orders the release of 1 October records. But there is still one question not answered by any of the evidence.
We're struggling with the motive of the suspect, and it's troublesome for me, for the police department, and the public.
In at least 3 separate court rulings, judges have decided to release evidence related to 1 October, but now the widow of Metro Police Officer Charleston Hartfield is suing 2 news outlets over personal information and autopsy reports. A court hearing on that matter is scheduled for Monday.